Wake up, you sleepyhead, it's time to go. The new year is here, Rosh Hashanah, you know. Everyone's coming so they can hear. The shofar is sounding loud and clear. Tekiah, Shivarim, Teruah, Tekiah Gedolah, Tekiah, Shivarim, Teruah, Tekiah Gedolah. Each note is special, each one unique. Tekiah is long and ends in a peak. Shivarim is broken into 3 parts. Teruah has 9 blasts. It's time to start. Tekiah, Shivarim, Teruah, Tekiah Gedolah, Tekiah, Shivarim, Teruah, Tekiah Gedolah. Tekiah Gedolah is the longest of all. It is the 4th of the shofar's calls. Takes lots of practice to learn how to blow. So take a deep breath and give it a go. Tekiah, Shivarim, Teruah, Tekiah Gedolah, Tekiah, Shivarim, Teruah, Tekiah Gedolah.